A congested baby at 3 in the morning is a special kind of stress. You are exhausted, they are miserable, and the air feels thick with tension. Normally, reaching for a nebulizer means dealing with a loud, vibrating box that sounds like a lawnmower in the nursery. It scares the kids and wakes up everyone else in the house. That is the specific problem this handheld mist maker from the baby gear experts tries to solve. It is small, it is sleek, and most importantly, it is quiet. Instead of a heavy machine that has to sit on a table, this is a portable unit that fits right in your hand. The goal here is to turn liquid medication into a vapor so fine that it can travel deep into the lungs. It is meant for those moments of wheezing or heavy chest congestion, when a regular humidifier just will not cut it. Inside the package, you get the main power unit, a medicine cup, and different attachments like a mask for the little ones and a mouthpiece for older kids or adults. Setting it up is pretty straightforward, but you have to be precise. You start by giving it a full charge via the included cable. You do not want to run out of juice halfway through a treatment. Once it is powered up, you pour the exact dose of medicine your doctor recommended into the cup. You have to make sure every piece clicks into place perfectly. If the seal is even slightly off, the mist will not be as strong as it should be. When you hit the power button, a soft light glows, and that cool mist starts to flow. For a baby, you just gently hold the mask over their nose and mouth. Because it is so hushed, you can often do this while they are lounging or even sleeping. That is a massive relief for parents who do not want to start a fight with a cranky toddler. Of course, even the best gadgets have their quirks. If you notice no mist is coming out, the first thing to check is the cleanliness. Tiny salt crystals or dried medicine can easily block the spray jets. A simple rinse with warm water is usually enough to clear it out. You also have to keep an eye on the liquid level. If the cup is too empty, the mist will get weak or just start dripping. It is definitely not as powerful as the big stationary units you find in a clinic, so a treatment might take a few minutes longer. However, the trade-off for the portability is huge. You can easily toss it into a diaper bag or a carry-on suitcase without thinking twice. It is about the size of a smartphone, which is a far cry from the old-school machines that required a dedicated carrying case. This portability means you are not tethered to a wall outlet in the corner of a room. You can charge it in the car or from a power bank while you are out and about. It turns a potentially terrifying medical task into something much more gentle and routine. It is one of those items you hope sits in the cabinet unused. But when the coughing starts and the night gets long, having a silent, reliable way to help them breathe is worth its weight in gold. It is all about making a tough situation just a little bit easier for the whole family. Keeping those little lungs clear is the priority, and having a tool that does not add to the drama of a sick day is a huge win for any household.